Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Cyclops from Avengers Doomsday. So let's start in the center page with the visor. We're starting on the left side at the very top. Draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Let's flatten off the ends, going straight down. And then we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. Let's draw the outside of the visor. So we're going to start from the top left, step up, draw another straight line going across. Now I want to round out the side. From the left, come around and then in towards the bottom. Let's draw the bottom of the visor, coming across, bend that up in the middle, round this out and then come down and then go out towards the right. Now inside this dip, along the bottom, we're going to add the nose, curving this down and then up, step down, add another curve of the mouth. Along the outside corners of the mouth, add a bracket. And then just underneath the mouth in the center, draw a straight line for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top right in the middle. We're going to add the brow. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left, then this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now you come down towards the bottom and draw the lower half of the head. Starting from this point, goes down and in, just underneath the mouth. Go across and bend that up. Let's add the ears, starting on the left. That is up, around, and then in. And then along the top of the ears, we're going to add a small fold. Now I want to brush the hair coming down towards the left and the right side. So we're going to start from the top left side of the visor. We're going to bend this up, then in towards the middle, come out and then back down, go up, and then down towards the right. Let's bend this up and curl this in, bend this out, and I want to bend this down on top of the visor. Let's go back over towards the left side. From this point, we're going to brush this up toward the top, step down, this around, and then in. Let's add a strand. Bend this out. Now we're going to come all the way up toward the top of the head, round this out, and just pull that down towards that point on the top right side. Let's draw on the right side of the hair. Starting from here, I'm going to add a point, going out and down, add another one, coming down along the side, pull this up and in. Just going to pull this in on top of the ear. Now let's close off the left side, starting underneath the hair, bend this around and then in. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body, going out and down towards the hip. Line it up on the right side, close up the hip with a curve. Now I'm going to step up and draw another curve across the top of the belt. Let's add the buckle, leaving a gap in the center, draw two lines on either side. Now I'm going to draw an X from the top corner, coming down across towards the bottom right, going the opposite direction. Step out, draw one line, and then from the hips we'll step in and draw one more. Now on the top right side of the body, let's add a circle, going all the way around for the buckle. Trace the buckle along the inside, and then in the center we'll draw an X, from top to bottom. Let's add those straps from the top right side, and we'll up underneath the head, step across, draw another one, and it's going to close off the bottom. Let's add another strap going across towards the left. Start with the top, and the bottom, and one more line across. Let's add one more strap coming down towards the belt. Now from the buckle, we step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go over towards the left. Bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to curve the bottom of the feet. We'll start with the left side, coming down and up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. And then we're going to go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the outside leg, move this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now we go up above the foot, draw the edge of the boot with one curve. And we're going to do that 2 more times, just stacking this below. Now let's go back up the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the belt. So starting right here, then the arm go out and down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the ends with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket, step down, cut a second finger, and then the 3rd finger and go all the way around the arm, go up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back down and add the wristbands from the top of the thumb, then it's up and then out. And then just like we did with the legs, we're going to do that 2 more times, working our way up. Now the last thing we're going to do is add a couple seams across the body, starting in the center, just underneath the chin, come down in behind the strap, straight down towards the belt. Let's add a curve on either leg. And we'll do the same thing across the arms, starting underneath the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cyclops from the Avengers Doomsday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.